NPP party no aya adibi abusuan se Ghana fu ginebo mabaso na de omaye no omachire eye maturity in Ghana politics no omache se Ghana ye omai bi ase eba no se enkabomu a ye de politics to nchen na ye enkabomu nyaade a Ghana ye ka hobi na sabri de ade NPP aye na abusuan ye beka ho asem nemum ansa na ebebowre NPP nsemu na abusuan asem bi esi we Asantehemaa ntamu a sabra menu kase de asem efiri manhie eba no se eye Asantehemaa na kunadu ya de motoso miensa wetima firim at the age of 91 na wadi 8 years since so be Asantehemaa na busia 8 years ni ena watu na no mo ense do etisabe de Asantehemaa mo etuntum Ghana fo nyina ye mo ne nana kunadu ya de motoso miensa ewe ya Asantehemaa mu enti wonte ya sabe breaking news ye break dia ma we Kama Studios na dia NPP fo na ya busia sabe ye wose Ghana fo nyina bojo mo so na very simple helicopter crash like crash ewe aboase wabra na the National Democratic Congress omokoye galamsey meeting bi wo oboase na busuan nipa 8 no mo on board no munyina to da no monsie do no unim se Honorable Murtala Mohammed NP for Tamale Central no ka ho bi amasabri de ne mpeso waso Tamale Central na busuan vacancy abeto wonte wo so mo ye by election na afei obi biara person of file forms na wutimi contest no ya nsa pepepe na we NPP party no amoko meeting the dua me no ka say amoko 11th August amoko meeting we party headquarters na mo si there bi so amoko contest say electoral commission e forms ana fast no to say obi am file na amoko contest for ye by election na eba nsa NPP party no amontimi nkogina mu na amon contest eba nsa o man kire onuado o man kire say omo party no ade a ato Ghana na omo dwe ho nti sabri de letter omo de aba ma memfo nko omo letter num na enko yese memum na me bubosire mu ka no ye hu ade a NPP party no de beto dwa immediate release August 11th 2025 the New Patriotic Party will not take part in the Tamale Central Parliamentary by-election NPP. The New Patriotic Party has resolved that it will not take part in Tamale Central by-election to elect a replacement for the late Honorable Dr. Alhaji Murtala Mohammed, Member of Parliament for the constituency, who was among the 8 who lost their lives in the service of the Republic in the helicopter crash that occurred on Wednesday, August 6, 2025. The decision was taken by the party at a National Steering Committee meeting held on Monday, August 11th, at the party headquarters. Pursuant to Article 10 of the party constitution, in the arriving at the decision, the party considered many factors, including the circumstances under which the Tamale central seat has become vacant and the possibility of a further polarization of the country at this critical time. The New Patriotic Party is of the belief that it would be inhuman to subject the nation to a competitive process in search of a replacement for departed MP. The party believes that the tension and acrimony often associated with the conduct of by-election in the country should be avoided. It is considered view of the party that the greatest tribute to that NPP, the rest, and it is the considered view of the party that the greatest tribute that the NPP and the rest of the nation can pay in honor of the departed is not only to win the fight against galamsey, but also ensure a smooth and peaceful replacement for the good people of Tamale Central. Consequently, the NPP hereby announces that the Electoral Commission of Ghana opens nomination for the Tamale Central by-election in line with Article 112 of the Ghana's Constitution. The party will, in accord with the nation interest, not take part in the contest. Thank you, Justice Kudria Frempong, General Secretary of the NPP for some moment able to join me this somewhere Kama Studios. Omo chimu a omo de omo hu ne se NPP sen ko contest by election ni bium na se ebe se atoye nchimu asi no omo ndwen ho because the National Democratic Congress was going to do the meeting to fight galamsey. That was the main purpose na flight and as a helicopter to free en kan no na ekoye ewoye oboase enam so many per 8 every month. So they also think of the country and they believe that ade obetima ye na akoye say the see no modwe ho no so no mofumu bi enema na wuro mo no is not to partake in the by election into we ensem free NPP party no nyina no de man kana for say there be the see no abusua omo de awura mo bi eka Ghana fo a na aka mo nyina yesi eka no nto na aka to nti sabre de NPP fo na de letter tintin aba omo general secretary Justice Frimpong Kodua ode atodwa se da bi omo ntimi enko file forms bia e Tamale Central the National Democratic Congress NDC for any bitimi eyi nipa obetimi Tamale Central mpeswa so se de be ya mpuntu a wo se omode to akoma Ghana yetumpon ye koye ni mu no aye fast na ankoye se critical attention bia ba na NPP NDC da bi we ensemo the new patriotic party we am able to do aye Kama Studios. If you enjoy our content, click on the subscribe button, put us on post notifications so that any update on Sabit Maka. Hi Kama Studios. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and your youngest content creator in your country. I'm finally out.